Setting up your bottles or making some sort of rack or something in your welding truck can be a little stressful. So here's a design that I came up with. It's free game, go for it. It's a piece of 10 by 10 tube. And I'm actually going to show you another truck here in a little bit that has a similar setup. It's a little different, but similar. So a 10 by 10 tube with like 4 little weld-on little ears there, and I just have 2 straps. Then there's a piece of channel on the back. It's used as a stopper for both bottles. If you look really hard, you can kind of see it right there. And then I have a piece of channel here. This is a 3-inch channel for the acetylene bottle as well. It's welded to this plate, and then it's also bolted to the truck here. The other truck I'm going to show you, it's a flatbed, and we'll look at it here in just a minute. And then bonus, there's the leads on a Hoosier pull. This is the bottle setup on the flatbed Ford truck that I have. 2 pieces of 10 by 10 inch, 1/4 inch tubing, 48 inches long each. And then I have a piece of 3-inch channel at the back going up, and then that's the mount for the acetylene tank. And then that hose is just temporary. I got some reels over here. I'm going to put another reel over here just for the acetylene, and then my other 2 jack stands are on the job site. So, but I actually have 6 stands, but I'll have 4 for this truck, and I have a 1/2 inch hose for the compressor here, and then I have shielding gas on a reel with quick disconnect as well. But then I'll have oxygen acetylene on a hose, and then I might see if I can get an extension cord in here too on a hose reel, because I have an extension cord here, and then I have a 100-foot for my remote for my Trailblazer here. So there you go, just a couple bolts to hold those in, and that's it.